cloud computing, that is fast, secure and anonymous key agreement against bad randomness for cloud computing. Before moving on, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon to get more updates. So this is the IEEE base paper on fast, secure and anonymous key agreement against bad randomness for cloud computing. So the abstract of this project goes like this. In cloud computing, resources are usually in cloud service providers network and typically accessed remotely by the cloud users via public channels. Key agreement enables secure channel establishment over a public channel for the secure communication between a cloud user and a cloud service provider. Existing key agreement protocols for cloud computing to tackle challenges, we propose in this paper a certificateless ORTT or zero RTT anonymous aka protocol against bad randomness for secure establishment in cloud computing. So our project comes under the domain cloud computing. Cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. Instead of buying, owning and maintaining physical data centers and servers, you can access technology services such as computing power, storage and databases on an as-needed basis from cloud provider. So the existing system in cloud computing, resources are usually in someone else's network, that is the network of a cloud service provider, that is CSP, and typically accessed remotely by the cloud users via public channels. Processing is done remotely and the output is returned upon completion of required processing. Due to the characters of cloud computing and the openness of the public channels, an attacker can perform various attacks such as impersonation and forging and also tampering. So these are some advantages of existing system: realizing low connection delay, eliminating certificate management problem, enhancing user privacy and avoiding bad randomness, avoiding user privacy. Function abbreviated as zero RTT. About 60% of the connections we see are from people who are visiting a site for the first time or revisiting after an extended period of time. So TLS 1.3 speeds up these connections significantly. The remaining 40% of connections are from visitors who have visited a site and are resuming a previous connection. So for these resumed connections, standard TLS is safer but no faster than any previous versions. So zero RTT changes dramatically speeds up resumed connections, loading to a faster and smoother web experience for websites that you visit regularly. This speed is especially noticeable on mobile networks. So this is the proposed system. Existing AKA protocols for cloud computing suffer from the challenges like reducing connections delay, eliminating certificate management problem, enhancing user experience and or user privacy, and avoiding bad randomness. In this paper, a certificateless zero RTT anonymous aka protocol against bad randomness for cloud computing to address the above challenges are presented. So this protocol is designed in CLPKC, in which a cloud user's value chosen by himself, while his private key is jointly generated by a trusted entity and himself. Since no certificate is needed, this protocol eliminates the certificate management problem for the potential numbers of cloud users. With the private key, a cloud user may establish a secure channel with a previously visited cloud service provider and send an encrypted message to the CSP simultaneously in zero RTT, which improve users' quality of experience. As to the security, this protocol realizes as privacy and bad randomness resistance. Even an attacker may communicate to a cloud. He cannot distinguish whether two messages are from the same cloud user. Hence, many attacks may be avoided, especially for the attacks with personal information. This is the system architecture. The system architecture comes under three phases, or it is divided into three phases. So the system consists of entities like Cloud Utilization Center, that is KGC, and Cloud Service Provider, that is CSP. So the KGC is trusted third party and is used to generate a long-term partial key or a long-term private key for an entity by taking as input the identity of the entity. The private key of the entity is generated by using the partial. The public key of the entity is just its identity and a public value generated by itself. So to obtain the partial private key of an entity securely, a secure channel has to be pre-established KGC. So these are some of the technologies being used: cloud computing, anonymous authentication, zero RTT aka protocol, and MVC architecture. Thank you for watching this video. If you like button if you like this video, and comment below if you have any queries related to this project. For more information, visit on www.dhsinformatics.com, or you can contact through email, or you can call these two numbers.